Hi there, students. Ricochet, ricochet. A verb, to ricochet. A noun, a ricochet, a countable noun. Okay, to ricochet means to bounce off something, to glance off something, to hit at quite a close angle and bounce off. This verb is particularly common for bullets. So there were the criminals were shooting at each other, and an innocent bystander was hit by a ricochet. Okay. You don't always have to use it for bullets, though. For example, I kicked the ball at the goal and it hit the goal post, but I was lucky because it ricocheted off the goal post into the goal. It bounced off. I guess if you go to a lake and you start skimming stones, they ricochet off the surface. Okay, so to ricochet is to rebound from a surface. If you were smart, you could use this verb to talk about a sound. The sound ricocheted around in the hall. It ricocheted down the hall. The scream ricocheted along the avenue or down the street. Okay, so it can you can use it for other things. A ricochet, a glancing rebound. Okay, so yes, the number one meaning is a bullet ricochets. It moves away from the angle that it was going at, but it rebounds, it bounces off. So a ball could ricochet off something. The goal that I scored was a ricochet. However, it's particularly common with bullets and arms and weapons. Okay. The car hit the man and he ricocheted off the bonnet. He bounced off the bonnet and over the car. Okay, so ricochet. You see, there are lots of other ways to do it, to use it. Let's see. As to formality, I think I'd give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere, but it does sound a little bit literary, but it's certainly valid. And then as to origin, well, it comes from the French word ricochet, but where it comes from before that, I don't know. So I'd be very interested to hear any ideas you have. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Ricochet, a ricochet, to ricochet.